Today, we are starting our fire with pine pitch. Let's come over here. So, if you ever need to start a fire, you find a pine tree. You see all this white stuff? That stuff is flammable. So we're gonna come in here, get a big chunk of it, then we're gonna light it. And then let it burn a little bit. Get your little kindling. And just easily put it over it. Without putting it out.
There you have it. Just like that. Use a little bit of pine pitch. It works perfect. Burns nice and slow, and we'll get your fire started.
Like and subscribe.